Welcome back to another recipe of making dosa. We have already completed idli. We have also completed peanut chutney and ginger chutney or allam chutney. Now today this is dosa. We'll be eating this with ginger chutney or allam chutney with peanut chutney, and how beautiful this recipe looks, and it is so crispy, it makes so much sound. I have already suppressed the sound, and it is so yummy, I cannot even explain. So before we start this recipe, please like, share, subscribe with your friends and family. Let's start this recipe. First is soaking. In any container, you have to take one bowl of white urad dal whole and rice, same measurement, 3 times. And here I have taken raw rice, 2 bowls, and 1 bowl of boiled rice. I have taken methi seed and chana dal, and will wash it nicely till it runs clear. And wash it till it runs clear, and should soak it for 4 to 6 hours. Suppose if you want to eat tomorrow, then we have to wash it by morning 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, then soak it for 3-4 hours. In the evening by 4 o'clock you have to grind it properly. So after completing 4 to 6 hours, I'll be doing the grinding work by 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock in between. And you have to make it really to a fine paste. In this recipe you can make either idli or dosa with the same batter. You can see there is no grain coming in the hand. In the same manner you have to do it all. So one time this is done, you can see how beautifully and how smoothly this batter is looking. So the leftover thing is also done, and we'll put this for fermenting for 12 hours, minimum 12 hours. Means 4 o'clock if you do it, by next morning 4 o'clock it is 12 hours. After 12 hours, by morning whenever you wake up, you make the chutney and add the salt in this batter, and do the seasoning of this non-stick fry pan. Now let's see how we make this wonderful dosa. When it heats up properly, you roll the spoon like this so that it becomes really round and thin. We'll be eating this with this ghee, so I'll be spreading the ghee in a proper manner. When it comes to this kind of color, you can always move from one side to another the fire, so that it really comes out with a good crispiness. You can see how beautiful the dosa is looking. In the similar manner, I'll show you how another dosa also we can make, and it really makes, you can see here the sound, it's so crispy, and it has to be eaten with fresh chutney, always just made before this recipe. So please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. Bye bye for now. We'll come up with a new wonderful beautiful recipe. See you for now. Bye bye.